Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Honda Civic. Guys, we're talking about that generation here from year 2016 to year 2021. If you have one of those, you need to find the EVAP relay. If you have problems with the EVAP system, EVAP malfunction, we'll explain which relay you need to check. It's hidden. We'll talk where you can buy cheap relays and fuses, that way you don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered today for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. On this channel you will be able to find, guys, a video for every fuse on your Honda Civic, guys, if you have that generation from year 2016 to year 2021. Why we make these videos? To save you time and money. Let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, because without that fuse practically the car will not be running. If it's blown, you can just search for it and find it instantly and know which fuse to check, because even in the manual, okay, the fuses are under different names that could be really hard to diagnose. Now, another thing, guys, we're constantly working on things, taking engines apart, transmissions, fixing cars, and we have 3 channels that we have more than 1.1 million subscribers altogether on these channels, guys, that we daily put content that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs as well. So let's go ahead, explain now where you can find all the fuses. Another thing now here, guys, okay, you will have different kind of fuses on your Honda Civic, guys. Some of those could be really hard to find. Okay, we're talking about some multi-fuses, multi-block fuses right here. Those could be really expensive, hard to find, impossible to find in small towns or in the middle of nowhere. Relays can be overpriced as well. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get practically all the fuses and relays at a really good price and quick shipping as well. That way you don't waste your money, guys. So let's go ahead, start on it and explain about the fuses now. So the EVAP relay, guys, where it's located, we'll demonstrate on 2017 Honda Civic that we have here. You will need to open the hood on your Honda Civic. This is your main engine fuse box right here. And if we zoom in a little bit, you're going to notice, guys, okay, that this fuse, that's a fuse box, that's the cover, and the moment you remove that cover, you're going to see a fuse box layout just like this one. This is towards the front of the car, this is towards the windshield side. But now, before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the EVAP relay, where it's located, guys, it's actually hidden. If you come right here and you look at that humongous relay that we're looking at right now, okay, that relay right here, okay, that relay, guys, is known as relay circuit board. That's the one that you will need to check. It has 6 different functions for that relay. One of them is for the EVAP system. If you have problems with EVAP due to that relay, you need to replace it. You have one tab here, one there, squish it, pull it out, replace it. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get it from at a good price and quick shipping. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.